In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the rich text element in Webflow, complete guide. The rich text element is your all-in-one block for formatted content, like headings, paragraphs, links, lists, and quotes. It's perfect for blog posts, help articles, and any page where you want consistent, easy-to-edit text. Start inside your Webflow project by opening the Add panel. You can click the plus icon in the left toolbar or use the quick key to open it. In the search field at the top of the panel, type rich text. This is the fastest way to find it without scrolling through categories, and it helps ensure you're selecting the correct element rather than a basic paragraph or heading. You'll see the rich text element appear in the results panel. Next, click the rich text element to add it to your page. Place it where your content should live, inside a section, container, or a column, so it follows your layout and stays responsive. Once it's on the canvas, you can double-click the placeholder content to start editing right away. Type your paragraphs, press enter to create new ones, and use shift plus enter for soft line breaks when you need tighter spacing inside a block. If you prefer, you can paste content from a document. Webflow will preserve most of the basic formatting. Now customize every element inside your rich text. Highlight text to reveal the inline toolbar for bold, italic, links, quotes, numbered, or bulleted lists, and alignment. Convert a line into a heading by changing its style in the toolbar. Use a clear hierarchy like H2 for section titles and H3 for subheads to improve readability and SEO. Add links by selecting text, choosing the link option, and setting the URL or page. For emphasis and structure, turn key points into lists. They're great for scanning on mobile. To control the look globally, give the rich text element a class, then style its nested elements. For example, adjust typography for all paragraphs inside this block. Set spacing above and below headings. Refine list indents, and tune block quote styles so they stand out. This approach keeps your content consistent across the page and saves you from styling each line manually. Don't forget to check tablet and mobile breakpoints and tweak font sizes and spacing so the content remains comfortable to read on smaller screens. And that's it. Your rich text element is set up, editable, and styled to match your design. Congratulations.